Today we're gonna be unboxing Ravel Tales. Halo.
Hai semua, kita unboxing mainan lagi yuk. Kali ini kita unboxing Ravel Tales. Mainan ini adalah boneka lembut yang mungil dan lucu. Selain boneka, juga terdapat beberapa item yang mampu mengasah kreativitas kita loh. Ada 9 kejutan di dalamnya. Jadi nggak sabar. Kita buka sekarang yuk.
Alright, I'm gonna open it slowly. So just the box. There's some tape. I got it out! Oh, I ripped it a little bit. Alright, continue. Ooh! How do I get this out? Oh!
Wah, ada bola yang super fluffy. Bonekanya mana ya? Pasti bonekanya ada di dalam sini.
Oh, okay. This is series 1. So, wait, there's 2 limited editions.
Wah, bonekanya lucu-lucu ya. Ada 2 super rare. Kita bisa dapat nggak ya? Jadi penasaran.
So this is series 1, right?
Yeah, series 1.
Okay.
Okay, try it. You have to stew them. Oh, you made.
Ini petunjuk untuk membuat berbagai kreasi dari benang-benang yang disediakan. Kamu bisa membuat friendship bracelet, pet collar, pom-pom, dan juga pet-pets. Wah, jadi benar-benar gak sabar ingin lihat bonekanya.
Oh, you can make a bracelet out of it. Are you guys ready to open it? Oh my gosh, it has different colors. Different colors. Oh, you guys see that? Oh my gosh, there's a lot of things in there. I can better get.
It's like a fake hair.
Yeah. It's already. This is for the pet collar. Oh my gosh! Did we got the super rare?
Wow! Is it really super rare?
Let me see. It won! It's this.
Oh!
Oh my gosh! We're so lucky. We're so lucky, Mommy. No, it wasn't. It was polka. It's not piccolo. It's different, Mommy. Look, we just got the boy one. We got the other one. It's not this one. This one is glittery. See, glittery. This one's not. Okay.
So
you got the basic one. We didn't got the ultra rare. Sad. Okay, is it?
Itu dia unboxing Ravel Tales kita kali ini. Lanjut nonton video selanjutnya ya. Tutorial membuat pom-pom, pet, dan pet color. Seru banget loh.
He loves it.
See you in the next video. Bye.